Hi to all, welcome back. As I had told you in my last vlog that my husband is going to shift his office, today's vlog is of a whole week on renovation of the new office, few shopping and inauguration clips. These are the few calligraphy coatings what I had made for the office. We had only 10 days for the renovation and the work was going on full swing. A quick look on the office renovation. Way back home had kunafa at Kunafa World, a simple yet tasty dessert. For today's breakfast, I prepared puttu. Had to drop my son to his school as his exams were going on. Way back at Talsheri Tattukada to have payampuri. So today too, on the way to the office to have a look of the renovation. Few more work yet to be done and we have hardly 2 days to complete. The workers were working day and night to complete the work on time. Now back home, planning to go for shopping this afternoon, so not going to cook lunch, we will be having it out. Preparing a quick ice cream with Amul whipping cream. I have already whipped the cream, adding sugar powder as the Amul whipping cream doesn't contain sugar. Add the sugar and whip again. For the flavor, I am using rose essence. It also has a nice rose color. For the ice cream flavor, I am going to add few drops of ice cream essence. You can also add vanilla essence. Mix well and transfer it into a container. You will have to deep freeze it for at least 6 hours. Now it's time to pick my son from his school. Straight away, we will be going for shopping. At the Talsheri restaurant to have Talsheri biryani, must say the biryani what they serve is the same taste of what we get in Talsheri for the marriages. Eating biryani in banana leaf gives an extra flavor. They serve it in the plate. If asked for the leaf, they serve it in the plantain leaf. Dining out, then pan is always there to complete the meal. My son was very uncomfortable to shop as he was in his school uniform. Evening shopping was impossible today, so we planned it for the noon itself. Got the calligraphies framed. After dinner, having the ice cream what I had prepared in the morning. Try it this way, it has the same texture and taste as of store bought. So the most awaited day has come. My husband's elder brother had come down for the inaugural function. For the breakfast as a dessert I prepared kunafa. I found it very easy to prepare, couldn't take a detailed recipe video. We'll put a video on it next time. So a quick look on the office. few here and there videos and pics of the inaugural function. The inaugural function was at 11 a.m. in the morning. We had divided the function into 3 so that the office doesn't get overcrowded. Morning snacks, lunch and dinner was also served. Couldn't take any of these video as I had been there only in the noon. Overall, the day went on as planned. Hope all the guests were well treated. A big thanks to all those who joined us in our happiness. May the Almighty Lord bless both for a bright future. As my brother-in-law was leaving the same night, quickly prepared a dinner. Thanks to all for watching my video. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe my channel. Also like and share.